Hi, my name is Bella. I've been lashing for almost 5 years and I'm currently lashing at the Boca Park location. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, hit the subscription button below. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to burp your adhesive. So the reason you want to burp your adhesive is to make sure all the old glue from your past service is out of the top, that way it doesn't spoil your new drop of glue. This is to ensure that your retention is on point and that you're not using old glue that will come off straight away after your application. You want to burp your glue every time you drop a drop of glue, because even if it's in the same service, your glue that you dropped earlier is still chilling in the top, so you just want to make sure you remove that before you drop a whole new drop of glue. This will ensure that all of your glue drops are fresh and you'll maintain your best retention. After you've already shaken your glue with the glue poker in side to side, never up and down because the glue can get stuck in your nozzle even more. After you've done that, you want to either take a piece of foil or the eye patch backing and just push out that first little drop that's stuck at the top, and that way the fresh glue will start flowing. No matter what glue you're using, you always want to burp your bottle to have the best retention possible. So after you've burped your glue and you've dispensed your glue drop, you want to make sure that you wipe the tip with either a lint-free glue pad or aluminum foil, just to make sure there's no more residue on the top before you put your cap back on. Make sure you're using aluminum foil or a lint-free glue pad, just so you don't get fibers on the tip of your glue and it gets all sticky and messy up there. Another thing you can do is to store your glue right side up, that way glue doesn't get stuck in the nozzle as opposed to on its side or upside down. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found value in this content. Question for you, what is your favorite Live Bay adhesive? Leave your answer in the comments below. We'll catch you in the next video.